Well, after hotel filming, I'm coming back to my hotel, and this is where I stay, Hotel Derby. It's one of the best located hotel you can find here in Brussels. In fact, look at that. That is a metro station 30 seconds away. If you keep walking, you see that gate right there? That is a 50th anniversary park, and basically that is the main historical attraction here in Brussels. If you keep walking down, 2 minutes away, Automotive Museum is right there, and if you keep walking down for another 5 minutes, the European Union headquarters, EU Parliament, they're all walking distance away. But no, you want to see what this small, comfy hotel has to offer, so let's go. So one of the things that I really love about the hotel is not just it's really nice and small and cozy and you get the personal service, it's the staff. I mean, they not try to sell you like different tours and things like that, but really try to help you by telling you where's the best place to go, where's the best place to eat, depending on your taste, and just answer different questions that really try to make your stay as comfortable as possible. And all the rooms are clean and spacious with a very comfortable bed, clean bathrooms with all the essentials such as towels, soaps and shampoos. But my favorite part is the large balcony for you to get a fresh breath of air and a beautiful view of Brussels. So just woken up for a really restful night of sleep thanks to this hotel, and I hope you have an opportunity to come here, check out for yourself and have an amazing stay.